Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, we're going to take a look at this open sign by thirdpolite, and we're going to unbox it, take a look at it, show you how it works, and then final thoughts. For the time being, I got this small one because there are different sizes, and I just wanted to get this open sign because I've seen that they're bright, but I wanted to know really how bright they are and how they work. And one of the challenges that I have is that when the sun hits the windows of the office, the open sign that is there now is not bright enough. So that's why I got this one, to see how bright it is and if it is bright enough to show that it's open while the sun hits the window. As you can see, you can order red and blue. You can order 10,000K or 2700K. And this is a 20-watt light. As you can see, it also comes with some stickers. This one says push, pull for your door. And then you have hours that you can put on this other sign. Open, closed. So you could probably put this on your door or near the door. Here you have instructions. And finally, you have the open sign. And it has a couple of pieces. This is the first one. And then you have this hardware so you can hang it. And then the second piece, you have this power cable, and I see a couple of connections on both sides, so you can connect both of them, probably like that. Once you connect them together, then you can plug them together right here. Yeah, I think they just clip right on, like so. You know, I don't think either you can put it backwards. If you want to try putting it backwards, I don't think it'll go in there. So there's only one way to put this, and it's probably like that. But anyway, I'm just gonna kind of put it here together and show you how bright it is in the first place. I think to put it together, all you have to do is align all the holes and push these pins right through so they can hold the other side, just like this is holding to this side. So it has these pins that go right through this and then this. So this one, it's not all the way in. You can push it like that right through this side and it'll stay put. So I'm not gonna put it together because I'm gonna have to put this sign somewhere else. I just wanna show you what it looks like. It's pretty simple, it's nothing fancy. I can see the LEDs right here, they were opened. And then on the other side, it has like an aluminum finish on the back. Then this plastic or acrylic holding it together, and I'll put it on the comments on what it is. Okay, so let's say we put this together. So let me plug it in. Oh, it is bright. And then you have a switch right here. You have 4 buttons. The power is right here. You can see it right there. It has power. And then you have up and down. And then lastly, you have this other one that says mode. So let me turn it on. You can dim this. That's the lowest setting right there. So let me put it as bright. That's the brightest. And then you have modes. That's one mode. That's another mode. and then the third mode, which stays on. So I'm assuming like if it's very sunny, I think I would have to put it like this on 100%. If it's cloudy or perhaps it's late in the evening, I would probably dim it down because it's very bright. I do like that it does have a memory where if I leave it on and I unplug it from over here and then plug it back on, it remembers that it was dimmed. So I like that because I might put this on a timer or perhaps use a smart switch so I could turn it on and off at a certain time. So I'll leave it on either at this bright, perhaps a little bit brighter, and then have it turn on and off at certain times. I also like that it comes with this hardware so it can hang somewhere. I'm gonna go ahead and put it by the window, see how it looks on the sunny day, and I'll come back and tell you. I also do like that it comes with this. I did not know it was gonna come with the stickers, or perhaps I didn't read the description, but I like that. I didn't want anything very fancy. I just wanted to have something that is bright because I have like a neon sign there at the office and you can see it in the evenings or perhaps on cloudy days, but when it gets very sunny, I don't think you can see it. So I like this, that is very bright. And I'll put on the description where I got this from, and perhaps if you find something that's similar, as long as he has the many LEDs that this one has, just look out for perhaps the color, how many LEDs it has, how many lumens. So there are different variations and different sizes, and I'll put on the comments what size it is, or I'll probably put it right here somewhere what size this is. And as you can see, they are big enough. So I've had this light for about 3 months now, and it still works, and it's bright enough that people can tell that the business is open. We've also gotten a lot of compliments, and some businesses have gotten the same light. The light is on a timer. It turns on and off by itself, and it's on about 8 hours a day, 5 to 6 days a week, and it still works. This sign, it's about 30 inches by 10, and it has a cool white color. And you do have other options to choose from, including the red, blue, or the warm white, or the American flag, or cold white, and different sizes. So I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.